At work, everyone seems to know what queries are and how to make them except for me. I didn't want to be the only person in the office missing out, so I did some research to learn about queries and structured query language, also known as SQL, and found this course by Bigger Brains. Let's take a look.
Just so we're not very distracted, I'm going to click up here and I'm going to turn off this IntelliSense.
Okay.
The IntelliSense is what gives you the little misspelling things. Okay, after the word select, type an asterisk. The asterisk represents a wildcard, which means all. And then just hit the space bar and type from. And then we're going to type the name of our first table, customers.
Does the capitalization matter or?
No, it's not case sensitive.
Okay, customers, plural. Okay.
Now in this application, to execute the query, you can click the execute button on the toolbar, or you can press F5 on your keyboard.
I'll try the button this time.
Let's try it. So if you can see the results down at the bottom, and if you look in the very bottom right-hand corner, you can see that it came up with 25 rows. So you have 25 records, 25 customers.
So we have 25 total customers at the bookstore.
Right.
The book, okay.
So the star after the word select represents all of the columns in the table. So what you're looking at here is every single column or field that's in the customer's table. Now, if you'll go up and you'll edit and take the star out and actually specify the cust num column. So you're literally going to type cust num.
Okay.
And then a comma. And then another column, let's say we want cust name and comma. And then let's do city. Now go ahead and execute the query again. Try the F5 button this time. Very good. Now notice the results are updated and you only see the specific columns that you indicated.
I don't know about you, but I am so excited to make my first query using the information we just learned from that lesson. To learn more about SQL and creating queries, check out our course, SQL for non-technical users. Join Bigger Brains as we power productivity, one brain at a time.